Documentation number 1. Mountain hiking. Part 1. With Miss Catherine Agas. With hard pouring rain. Could this be any more harder? Our companions, Judy Dumapis and Donna Ibasan, are behind. Video to. Documentation. The mud is very slippery, as you can see. Oh my gosh. All our things are already wet. And our feet is slipping from our slippers. As for me, it's Crocs. Okay. So let's wait up for our muse, the muse of Naibo, Miss Judy Dorothy Dumapis.
What you got? Hey, slippery.
Yeah, same here. She's carrying our eggs. Documentation. This is Miss Donna Marie Ibasan. Yeah. Ah! Oo nga, baka mahulog na naman sa putik. It's so muddy. Puddle of mud. Ah, oh my god. Okay, I gotta end this.